Hello everyone, I am Asiya Lady from grade 2G, Gyan International School, Saja. Now I'm going to do the summer camp week 2, day 2 challenge, paper choppers. So let's see my choppers and how I decorated them. Now I'm going to show you how to make an origami chopper. First take a rectangular sheet. Fold it like this. Then fold it back. Then take the front side and fold it like this. Then take this and this edge and fold them into triangles. Then fold like this into a board. But take one side each. Then take this side and make it up for making the hat. Then take this side of the hat to the other side of the hat to make a rectangle, to make a square. Then fold this side like this and make like this, where this side is not seen. Then take one side and fold it like this. Then do it on the same on the other side. Then turn it and make this into a triangle. Take the other side where you get two triangles. Then take like this and fold it into a diamond shape. Then take these two sides and take it like this. This is a chopper. You have to put this inside the frame. Now this origami chopper is ready. Now I'm going to show you the family of choppers. This is the father chopper. This is the sister chopper. This is the brother chopper. This is the mother chopper.